Can you really start a successful business and earn profitably with just $500? I answered it in the last video. Definitely yes. In this video, we'll continue to discuss all top 70 business ideas you can start with less than $500. We'll answer your burning questions about which businesses are viable with your current skill set, how to leverage your skills and knowledge, and what makes these opportunities stand out. I put additional hours of extensive research to gather the best ideas, ensuring you get a head start in the business world. Let's explore how you can make a smart start with just $500. Number 1. Instead of starting with a high-end machine, you can opt for a manual label applicator. This device is incredibly user-friendly and, most importantly, very affordable at just $60. Number 2. Consider investing in a machine for inflating air cushions and bubble wrap. With the rise in online shopping, this tool is essential for many retailers. You can set it up at home and costs only $150. Number 3. A nail polish bottling machine can be an excellent entry point into cosmetics industry. Number 4. Another affordable option is a manual filler for thick liquids. This versatile machine allows you to fill containers with cream, shampoo, honey, and other viscous products. Brand your products and start earning. Number 5. An automatic egg incubator can enable you to hatch chicks right in your garage. It operates on both mains and battery power, and a model that holds 100 eggs costs just $40. Number 6. For only $5, a small glass bottle cutter can help you start a business making decorative glasses for bars. Number 7. A cooking oil extraction machine is a specialized piece of equipment designed to produce oils from various vegetable materials like olives, coconuts, peanuts, and sunflowers. This machine offers high productivity, processing large volumes quickly while maintaining high quality and consistency. Number 8. Producing solid stone sinks requires specific tools and skills. You'll need diamond discs, drills, and cutters to shape the stone, as well as special adhesives and sealants for assembly. Detailed guides and tool lists are easily accessible online. Number 9. An innovative solution for food processing companies is a machine that produces soy and other organic milks. It provides high productivity and efficiency with built-in cleaning and processing devices, plus automatic temperature and process control to ensure high-quality, fresh organic milk. Number 10. A cake and confectionery printer allows you to print colorful images and designs on food items. This device is perfect for creating unique, personalized decorations on cakes, cookies, pastries, and other treats, making it a valuable asset for a confectionery business. Number 11. Wrapping gifts in transparent balloons is a unique service that's especially popular around holidays. Specialized machines fill balloons with air and place the gift inside, sealing them for shipment. Number 12. For a standout business idea, consider a 360 photo booth. This automated camera uses multiple cameras to create panoramic photos, offering a unique experience for events and gatherings. Number 13. The Hong Kong Waffle Maker is designed to produce the iconic waffles popular in Hong Kong. These machines have a rectangular shape with parallel recesses, cooking crispy and airy waffles in just a minute or two. Number 14. A thermal imager captures images in the infrared spectrum, useful for detecting heat leaks, monitoring equipment temperatures, and identifying overheating electrical components. This tool helps businesses address temperature-related issues quickly, reducing energy costs and improving efficiency. Number 15. Professional shoe cleaning services remove dirt, stains, and bacteria from shoes, enhancing their appearance and lifespan. This business involves specialized products and equipment for a deep clean. Number 16. If you're passionate about fitness, becoming a personal trainer is a cost-effective business idea. The global fitness industry is valued at $97 billion, offering ample opportunities for success. Main expenses include a workspace, professional certification, and marketing. Number 17. With the increase in remote work, mobile notary services are in demand. Becoming a notary public costs less than $100, covering certification, a notary seal, and a surety bond. Number 18. As a non-medical home care aid for seniors, you can start with a minimal investment. With an increasing senior population, the demand for in-home services is rising, making this a viable business opportunity. Number 19. If you love the holiday season and decorating, consider becoming a holiday decorator. This business requires no certification and minimal upfront investment. Your clients cover material costs and you charge for your time and creativity. Number 20. Renting out part of your property can be a profitable small business. You don't need to rent out an entire home. Even a parking space or storage unit can generate income. Costs are minimal, including cleaning fees and marketing expenses. Number 21. Starting a home remodeling business is feasible with an initial investment in tools under $500. Marketing can be done through affordable methods like local ads or social media posts. Ensure you check your local business license requirements. Number 22. Residential cleaning services are in high demand with more people working from home. Starting this business requires basic cleaning equipment and a minimal initial investment. Some clients may provide their own cleaning products, reducing your costs further. Number 23. A house painting business can be started with supplies costing less than $500. Projects typically require paint, brushes, rollers, and ladders, with the client often covering paint costs. Number 24. If you love animals, pet sitting is a low-cost business to start. Clients provide everything needed for their pets, so your main responsibility is to ensure a safe, comfortable environment and good communication with pet owners. Number 25. Use your skills and expertise to help others by becoming a consultant. The main requirements are a computer and a phone, making this a business you can start with virtually no upfront costs. Number 26. Many businesses hire independent contractors to manage their social media accounts. If you're knowledgeable about social media, this low-cost venture involves creating content, driving engagement, and growing followers to boost revenue. Number 27. If you enjoy organizing, consider starting a business as a professional organizer. This business requires no upfront investments, as clients typically pay for the supplies needed to organize their homes. Number 28. The pandemic showed us that Americans are innovative. Many started businesses selling crafts and desserts. The only costs are for materials, and social media platforms like Facebook can be effective for local marketing. Number 29. If you have pottery skills, you can monetize them by creating and selling unique clay crafts. This business requires minimal investment, as the primary costs are for materials. Number 30. With many people focusing on home improvements, starting a home remodeling business can be profitable. Your skills will help build your reputation through word of mouth, leading to more job opportunities. Number 31. Business owners often need help with administrative tasks. As a virtual receptionist, you can manage these tasks remotely. All you need to start is a computer and internet connection. Number 32. If you speak another language fluently, offering translation services can be a very profitable business with no startup costs. There's demand in various sectors, including medical, legal, and publishing. Number 33. Starting a laundry business can be simple with access to a washer and dryer or a laundromat. Your main costs are detergent and laundry bags, and you can offer additional services like ironing and delivery. Number 34. Lawn care is a profitable business with initial equipment costs under $500. The first year can bring in $10,000 to $50,000, and with a solid client base, potential earnings can reach 6 figures. Many lawn care businesses also offer snow removal services in the winter. Number 35. Becoming a local guide is an excellent business in tourist-rich areas. You need expertise in your field and a love for history. Travel guides lead tours in various countries, requiring extensive cultural knowledge and a passion for travel. Starting a successful business with just $500 is entirely feasible with the right idea and approach. From creating custom crafts to offering specialized services, there are numerous opportunities to leverage your skills and resources. Remember to stay creative, research thoroughly, and adapt to changing trends for continued success. A 10-minute video is too short, and if you haven't watched part 1, then make sure to click this one. All of these are useless if you don't want to start your own business. Then affiliate marketing is the best solution for you. If you want to learn how, make sure to watch our videos about affiliate marketing in Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, IG, and more. Until next time, bye-bye!